What's up guys, it's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Retro OG Wings. Yep. So I got these from the Go app. I'll link a link in the description so you guys can check it out. I got this for a steal. Usually they're $200. I did pay resale just by $90 I believe. Supposedly the box was damaged, so hopefully it's not that damaged where the pairs got messed up or anything. But yeah, so let's get right into it. My pen fell down, but let's get this on. So I got it for $190 ship. Pretty nice. Hopefully they're pretty good. So yeah, it was the Go app. I'm sure a lot of people know about it. Should be real, since there are a real company that do provide people with real shoes. And it does look like the box is a little bit damaged, but I mean the boxes doesn't matter. So with the Go app you get a sticker right here, you can see right here, paper right there. So let's get right into it. Cut that, so here we go. And it does look like it's damaged, but I mean it wouldn't like matter to me because I'd rather have the shoes than anything else. There's the damage right here. All this right there, a little bit right here. It's open right there. I don't care. It's all white. You got some sticker there. I don't know what is that. Gold, just like the OVOs. They came in this white box. You get this. That's right there. Size 10. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Wings. You get this black, metallic gold. That's all size. On top you got the Jumpman Jordan. On the bottom you get this in gold, and then the sticker. You got this and the recycle box thing. So let's get right into the shoes. Put it down a little bit. So you flip it like this. And it does come with the stamp. Should come with the stamp. Where's the stamp? That there. You get this from Go app. You can read that there. On the back. There you go. So L, I guess. What? Alright. I took an L, I guess. What the hell is this? You get dust bag, which looks like it's kind of messed up a little bit. Has some things on it. I don't know what the hell it is. Looks like the Jordan thing. It has a hole or something. I don't know what happened here. Oh well, it doesn't matter. You do have gold lace tips on that dust bag. It looks like my dust bag is a little dirty or something, and it has a hole right here. Show you right there, right here. But it's all white, pretty nice. I don't care about the dust bag. As I said, you get 23 paper. All I care is the shoe. The shoe is the most important thing, and they do look legit because I've seen replicas which look like doo-doo, look real bad. Let me put that there. I don't care about the box. The box is damaged. And there you go. Air Jordan 1 Retro Wings. See, it supposedly was to be black, but it was roughed off before it was shipped to people. I guess they were scared of replicas copying them. That's why I'm wondering, or one I'm thinking really. On this pull tab right here you get the wings. On the bottom you get the wings right there. So it's all roughed off. It should have been all black, but they roughed it up for you. So it looks pretty nice. I like it. A lot of people don't like it. I don't know why, but I really like it. You get the Jordan Jumpman wings in gold right there. On the tongue you get that same thing right there. This leather is pretty soft actually. It's pretty nice. It's pretty okay. I would say that after the wear it's going to be softer and softer. This leather is gonna be really nice. Air Jordan right there. You get extra laces which say the same thing as in the back. Mine's 10,000 out of 10,671 out of 19,400. There you go. That's soft material right there. Inside the insole, let me take out. You get leather laces, which do not have a end, just like that, raw. On the insert, you got here, and yeah. So pretty nice on that. So these are limited, pretty much. You get the size tag right there, 10. Pretty nice, good leather, I would say. Really good leather, actually. I really like them. As I said, not a lot of people like them. They thought they were gonna resell them for way more, but their price dropped real fast on these. But yeah, they're pretty nice. And if I miss anything, just put it in the comments and I'll take a picture or something and put it on the video. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.